Hi, in this video we are going to see how to send lecture reminder to the students and parents and how to send lecture cancel notification. Click on your branch name, click on lectures, click on schedules. Now for the lecture for which attendance has not been marked, you will find three dots. Click on that three dot. Under reminder, you will find option called student. Click on student. You can send SMS, email notification to students, parents, or both of them. Once this is done, click on send SMS. So parents and students will be notified for the lecture reminder. Now in case you want to cancel lecture, click on the three dot next to the lecture schedule which you want to cancel. Click on three dot. Click on cancel lecture. Enter cancel reason why you want to cancel the lecture. I'm mentioning here faculty is not available. How you want to notify? SMS, to whom you want to send SMS. So you can define. If you don't want to send to faculty, you can remove the faculty and click on cancel lecture. So this way you can cancel the lecture. Thank you.